So, challenge number 5, achievement unlock. Clip number 1, document respondents feedback with the tutorial mode. So, pag-testing mo ni makabulig, question number 1 is, sa pag-testing mo ni makabulig may ni Simo,
Oo,
o si Telfol.
Oo.
Another question is, will he or she use it? Kung sample, na gano'n ni siya, app na ni siya, magamit mo manayahan.
Gamito natin
Sa mga pag-cash in, no?
Oo.
Pag-cash in, kat magbayad sa bills.
Oo.
So, ang last question ko is, how was the human-computer interaction? Ano blang pag-interact mo, hapos lang or ano man something, memang ka hapos man or something comment ka nga para mas may pa-improve ang hamon nga application ano mabal.
Oo, para magano ko kung ano, kundi hapos lang kita mano para hindi na tamayawan ka no bala no. Makita mo dayon kung
Ano mo balayan?
Oo para hapos lang hindi ka nakalakap-lakap kundi no.
Oo. Sino ha? Challenge 5, achievement unlocked. So the first question was, talk about your experience learnings in doing the challenge. So for me, it was not hard to teach my mother since she had already experienced using similar applications like GCash, Shopee Pay, and Grocery. And one key learning from this challenge is that transitioning to other payment options can be difficult due to her strong preference for the apps she is already familiar with. So the next question was, highlight the human-computer interaction with a financial tool. HCI or human-computer interaction with financial tool requires intuitive designs where users can easily navigate and complete transactions. It involves clear interfaces, accessible features, and immediate feedback to ensure smooth user experience. Teaching my mother demonstrated that well-designed HCI is crucial for user confidence and ease of use. Number 3 question. Discuss about the UX. You have observed the UX or the user experience of the financial tool my mother used varied. Applied with simpler, more intuitive interfaces were easier for her to navigate. She appreciated features like clear instructions, recognizable icons, and quick error corrections. Apps that lacked these elements led to confusion and longer learning curves. So the last is, summarize your conclusion if the goal was achieved. So the goal of teaching my mother to use different financial apps was largely achieved, though transitioning to new payment options was challenging. Her familiarity with similar apps facilitated the process, but preference for familiar interfaces showed the importance of consistent and user-friendly design. Overall, achieving the goal highlighted the need for intuitive and accessible and financial tools.